Hey photo booth business owners, we have some good news for Snapic here. So right now on the iPad, I'm on the latest software, but on my iPhone, if I come over to Snapic here, I'm on the older software. So you want to upgrade to the newer software. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The fastest way is just go into your store, your app store, type in the name Snapic, and then it'll pop up like this here. I'll show you how it looks like from the beginning. So you just type in Snapic, and then you can go to update right here and it'll update the app. Now this beautiful update is going to allow you guys now to record or take photos with one of your devices, and since you have your iPad as your sharing station, what it's going to do now, it's going to communicate with devices that are really close to within like at least 30 feet. So now when you guys do the videos, right, say for example we take a video using our iPhones, that video is no longer going to be relying on the connection between the internet connection between the phone and the iPad, because the iPad and the phone are going to be synchronized, kind of like the AirDrop feature. So let's go ahead and test that out. I'm going to go ahead and record this video. 3, 2, 1. Well, before I do that, I should probably open the same, there you go, the same event I have on my phone. So I'm going to go to start sharing station right there. All right, now let's go ahead and do this the right way. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Just gonna take the video and we're gonna see how fast it sends it over to the iPad now, which is something that I've been wanting Snapic and every other software to perfect, because sometimes you guys will be at events and this is a major issue. Like the video will render quickly on your phone, but by the time it gets to the iPad, sometimes it can take minutes, if not hours, and sometimes it doesn't even do it. So the video is right here already. I'm gonna go to skip so that it can get uploaded to the iPad, and let's see how fast I go. Oh, look at that. It only took a few seconds. Thank you, Snapic. If you guys are on TouchPics and these are not the results you guys are getting, come over and check out Snapic. There's a 7-day free trial using the link in the description. If you use that link to sign up, it's also gonna give you 10% off, baby. This is going to be such a relief when we are at events now, because people are not going to be waiting and waiting and waiting by the iPad for their videos to be via AirDrop or text message anymore, because now our phone is synchronized with the iPad, kind of like the same feature as AirDrop uses as far as the technology goes. I hope this video helps. I'll see you guys very soon. I hope you guys make it to the Photo Booth Expo here, coming up in February during the year 2024. See you guys there. Peace.